Hi everyone, Patti Moss Armbrister here. If you've been following the channel for a while, you would know me as Regenerative Gardening with Patti. But today, you may have noticed that I changed my banner and I'm updating the channel to simply be my name, Patti Moss Armbrister. But before I tell you why, I want to say thank you immensely to the subscribers, the people that have been with me here all along from the beginning, to the gardeners who have stuck with me through the compost piles, the aphid outbreaks, stopping using neem, and all those windy days. You helped build the channel, and I appreciate every single one of you. And I want you to know I'm not leaving you. I'm just growing a bigger garden, let's say. And I've been writing. And with the launch of 2 new books in a book series called The Master Reset, I realized I needed a home for all of that stuff and kind of pull everything together. So whether I'm talking about better plants, better beef, the biology is the same. The microbes don't have a ruler, and the soil doesn't know. If you are operating on a garden or thousands of acres of ag land, it doesn't know nor care. I'm the same old Patti, the same soil health principles, just a bigger mission. I will still be getting clay to act like loam, and we're never going to be planted naked. And whether you are a homeowner, homesteader, 4-H member, FFA member, or a commercial producer, you belong here. And I'm here to help you build a biological shield around your food system and to grow better food, healthier food, to make healthier humans and healthier life for all. So together, we are partnering with nature to restore all the life on land. I want to thank you for watching, thank you for sharing, and thank you for sticking with me, and let's get the work done. And if you like, maybe hit the like button. Either way, I'll see you in a video soon. Bye now.